Porcia today, back on Piggies Pastries, and well, I don't really know what we're gonna make today, and oh, someone's at the door. Hello again.
Hi, do you guys make milkshakes here?
Yeah, we can make anything you want.
Thank you.
Do you want to help out with us?
Of course.
Yeah! First, we need the ingredients. First, you guys, we need our ice cream of choice. We are going to do some mint ice cream today.
Yes, we are.
Then, you're gonna need some milk. We're using 2% reduced white milk. And then you need some sort of cream. This is optional, but we're using it because it makes it
more
creamier.
Smooth and creamy.
What is this right here? Well, it's our monkey bread. That's right, we still have some monkey bread left over from our last Piggies Pastries. You guys should go check that video out in the description below, right after watching this video.
So first, you're going to add as much ice cream as you want into the blender. So now you're going to need to add your milk. This is how much I filled it. You're going to add your half and half, but remember, this is optional. And for this and the milk, you just eyeball it really. So a good trick is I counted to like 5, but you can go to like 10 seconds.
Okay guys, so this is about how your ratio should be for your milkshake. About 1/4 of milk and cream to the 3/4 of the ice cream. And now all we gotta do is blend it.
Wait!
What?
Don't forget the cap.
You're right. Thanks, Gio.
Well done.
Good catch. That not me.
Do you need help?
That did it. Hey guys, so it's Portia editing. Just saying that for the texture that you want, you can do any texture that you would like when you're blending it, but we blended it till it was about a creamy and thick texture.
It's going. We kept going back and forth between the 2 cups until it was an even amount. What a delicious shake.
I know, right? So these shakes are super simple to make, and we will also leave the ingredients down in the description below, just in case you guys didn't quite hear what we were saying in the video. I guess we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to comment down below what other things you guys like us to make. We will have more Pinkies Pastries coming up soon. And don't forget to watch our monkey bread video. And Gio also has her own little thing, Gio's Crafts, which we have some super fun crafts there. So go check all those out, which will be in the description below. Don't forget to like
And subscribe.
See you guys next time.
Bye.